Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In Mumbai we have monsoon and it's such a lovely weather. Such weather calls for hot and tasty crispy snacks. So I have some baby corn in my refrigerator. So why not make fritters and enjoy with masala chai? So let's begin and make some quick and easy baby corn fritters. Check out the ingredients list in the description box. First, we are going to blanch the baby corn. Boil water and add salt as needed. Now dip in the corns. Allow them to boil for 1 minute. This will partially cook them. Now drain out the water and let them cool. After cooling, marinate them. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or you could use freshly ground garlic also, but garlic powder works better. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, or you can take any other spice mix of your choice. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Now rub all these nicely on the baby corn until they are coated very well. Set it aside. Meanwhile, let's prepare the batter for frying. In a large mixing bowl, take 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or corn starch, 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, salt to taste, baking powder about 1/4 teaspoon. Mix them all together. Now we'll add water little by little and make a thick and smooth batter. I've poured about 1 cup of water. The batter should be nice and thick. Perfect. This is so smooth and nice. Now heat oil in a pan or a kadai. Dip the marinated baby corns and drop it into hot oil. Drop the second one only after some time when the first one starts floating on top. Same way, wait for the second one to come on top. Then put the third one. This way they will not get stuck to each other. Now this one has floated. Here goes the fourth one. Since pan is small, I am frying it in 2 batches. If you have a wider pan, you can put all of them together. Now reduce the flame and fry them, flipping them several times to get a nice and crispy texture. They should be fried evenly and the color also should remain whitish. Take care that they don't become brown. Now the time taken to fry them may vary depending on the size of the baby corn. Sometimes you get very tiny ones, sometimes they are little larger. Today I've got little larger ones. Fry them until the outer crust is crunchy. It's a lovely finger snack to enjoy. Once they are done, remove them on a kitchen tissue. Same way, fry the remaining baby corns. They make a great party snack. You can also half fry them ahead and then double fry them second time when you are serving. And they taste the best when they are out of the pan immediately. Crunchy, crispy, and so yummy. Serve them with chutneys of your choice. So get some baby corn and try them right away. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. Happy cooking and stay tuned for the next recipe.